Hello everybody. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up the Asana app inside your agency and start using the workflow. So let's get started. At the level of marketplace, you search for the app Asana. You get it here. You click on it. You get install. You select the sub account where you want the tool to be installed. Sub account one. Continue. Allow it to install. You automatically open this new window in order to copy the custom menu link. You make sure it's copied, and then you switch back to the agency view to create the custom menu link. We go at the settings, custom menu link, create new. You select an icon for your custom store. Here, you type your name, like how you're gonna name it. Let's say Sana. Seeing that you paste the custom menu and then you are able to copy it. There you go. Scroll down, sub account one, or and we save. There you go. Now let's switch to the sub account in order to connect to one. There you go. Here we are. So let's search for Asana. You notice it's already connected here. So we on it. This is our new app interface. First off, you have the documentation here. If you go at you have the written documentation showing you all the steps that you follow in order to set up the app. Here you have the tutorials, how to get the credentials, and how to set up the tool. At the level of setup, you can check the status of the app. Here you can notice they're already connected. If not, you just have to come at the start setup and get it connected. At the level of support, you can create a ticket. If you, for example, let's say you encounter a bug, you just have to fill the form and submit the ticket. And instantly, you're going to be notified that the ticket has been created and the team is in charge. You can also book a call at the level of change log. You're going to be notified whenever we make a change on the apps that you guys installed. And of course, if you don't want to receive any notification anymore, you disable notification. And that's about it. Thank you for watching this video, guys. If you ever have any questions, feel free to reach our support team who's available 24/7 to answer all your questions.